So I have a picture here of a bridge. It's in the shape of a parabola, and the two towers are 120 meters apart. So that's why if the vertex is here, it's 60 on each side, and they're 20 above. So I have a point. I have a point 60, 20 that's on my parabola. And since it touches the roadway, I can say that this is 0, 0. So I can say that my vertex is 0, 0. I know it's going to be of the form x squared equals 4py, since the vertex is at 0, 0. So in order to take my point, this is an x and this is a y, I'm going to plug them in. So I have 60 squared equals 4p times 20, or 60 squared equals 80p, which gives me a p-value of 45, and 4 times p is 4 times 45, or 180, which tells me the equation is going to be x squared equals 180y. Now I can use this for the second part of the equation. I need to find the length. So the length, when you think about this, oh, it's an arc length. So we have to go back and think about arc length, right? Arc length is it integral from a to b, right? Square root of 1 plus y prime squared dx. So I need to solve for y. So I have y equals x squared over 180. I have y prime is 2x over 180, or x over 90, which gives me y prime squared of x squared over 8100, which is 90 squared. And then I need to find, well, I can start with 1 plus y prime squared, which is going to be 8100 plus x squared over 8100. So the square root is going to be 8100 plus x squared, and then the square root, so that'll be 90. So I can, since it's a parabola, they're both on the same side, I don't have to go from negative 60 to 60. I can just say it's twice from 0 to 60. And I'm going to pull that 90, 1 over 90 on the outside, so it's really 2 over 90 there. And I have the square root of 8100 plus x squared dx. So if I use formula number 26, I know that this is going to equal 2 over 90 times 1/2 x times the square root of 8100 plus x squared plus 8100, the natural log of 60 plus the square root of, we'll say 90 squared plus 60 squared. Oh, sorry, that's my, x. Hold on. Sorry, that should be the natural log, the absolute value of x plus the square root of 8100 plus x squared. And then I'm going to do all that from 0 to 60. So I want to plug all that in. I want to plug in the 60 and the 0. I have 1 over 90 because the 2's cross out, and I have 60 times 8100 plus 60 squared plus 8100, natural log of 60 plus 8100, 8100 plus 60 squared, minus, well, the first one's going to be 0 plus 8100, the natural log of 0 plus the square root of 8100. And if you pull that in your calculator, you get 128.4 meters.